everyone, Steve at the Auto Station. Got a great little example for you guys, and guess what? It's one of our courtesy cars. This car right here, you can see we got almost 400,000 kilometers, 398,764. And you know what? This car keeps on going. It's a courtesy car. We lend it out every day. And one of the things that we do here is we keep it clean. That's why how we add this value. So there's nothing like a detailing because it prevents corrosion. Two, there's nothing like washing your car once a week because it keeps the paint looking nice and crisp, which holds the value. But the biggest thing you can do is this interior clean. You got your little rag, you spray your cleaner on it, and you wipe everything down. What this does, not only does it keep it like the pride of ownership, keeps the car looking good, and all that kind of great stuff, it keeps the dust out of the car. The dust that goes into all these little switches and buttons, that's what gets them to stop working when they get to 10, 12, 13, 14, 15 years old. If you keep that from happening, the car keeps running, you still got that pride of ownership, and you keep on driving it. This car here is 18 years old, and you know what? Look at this. Works great. You want yours to last? Come on and see us. Steve at the Auto Station.